Hi, I'm Mika Lam from the team Blackpink in your area, and this is the proof of flight video for my remote controlled plane Lalisa Mark 7. So now we're trying to find a place to perform a glide test, but the problem is that it's very windy and our plane is so light, so I'm kind of worried that the plane might hit something or crash into something and break. I was supposed to do a test flight earlier today, but it was really windy, and before recording I did a test flight and there was crosswind and it flipped the plane over and it crashed really badly. So underneath the plane there was supposed to be 4 legs, but all 4 of them got ripped off in the impact. And inside the hatch, this support bar got ripped off, and the wires connecting the receiver to the gyro also got ripped off. I think the inside the wire is probably broken because when I reattach them, these 2 servos that connect to the elevons here don't respond to the controller. Before the test flight today, the CG of the plane is very well balanced, and we did a few glide tests on it. So now all I can do is wait for the wires I ordered to arrive so I can repair the plane. According to glide test, since the plane glided quite well, theoretically if I had the propeller working and the 2 elevons working, it should fly reasonably well. So this is the best I can do, and here are the glide tests.